Finding a friends on Sungtini Hana High job notification Ketal Lonkozauka. Friends on among Cassini Tripura State Aid Society Health and Family Welfare Department Government of Tripura. Tripura government ni friends on among contract basic Kletlang Zangnai friends on data manager. Post ni data manager. Post ni data manager vacancy o jago total tinta ni bisingo bebagno ST candidate ni bagai friends o jago norok apply khalanya ni hingkake qualification nangnai graduate jekunu graduate khajak BA BSc BCom jekunu norok graduate complete khaimani khajak hingkeno ungkha ar pore norok computer certificate kaisa norok ni nangnai jesikapano format training in computer application jekunu computer ni certificate tongken khanor oro beton fixed pay 13,000 khlai rojangnai inge norok o jago apply ma khlainai 15 February ni bisingo saringni saita joratui friends ong norok o jago apply khainani hingka keto offline direct bo thangai norok rimano bini office hai ke norok post office tibo rohoroi mano inge post office joti roka angke 15 February ni bisingo sogoja nangnai ni sawo jago vacancy tekisa bari mano komi mano sawo oro ar for interview tai written test najangnai o jago inke friends ong o jago norok kamknani di nongni application by ke submit khainai inke norok direct hai ke register post tai norok rohori mano inke norok oro address inke norok puila sakao ma sinai norok application for the post ni sinai post ni bumung or data manager ni sirdi ar for applicant name sidi norong ni mung sidi ar for norong ni father name or sinai address to o jago norok bor sen khainai to the romdi ordinary office the project director Tripura State AIDS Control Society Akhawara Road opposite to IGM Hospital Agartala Tripura West 799001 o address norok maro honai friendsong omongka 11 man ni bagai norok o jago rohna ke nong ni boyos 18 theke 40 singe o jago 5 year relegation manai 45 jorate rim manai 15 February 2022 ni bisingo norok ni 45 bosor ni bisingo hongke norok rim manai o jago norok total 100 mark ni test nai exam oboni bisingo norok 90 ni ingka written exam marnai after 10 ni ingke norok muikhik interview ba viva interview marnai ingke norok je 90 ni mark ni written exam o MCQ multiple choice norok marnai kaisa question rekhangke no 2 mark manai kaisa question rekhangke no 2 mark manai total 45 ta question 45 question tongnai oboro 90 mark ni bagai ingke negative marking kaisa answer sayang kangke no 1 mark tanjangnai ingkai syllabus tam montoi nangke current affair and SIV H matter no tui nai duita topic no tui nai bini syllabus exam written exam nai ingke norok o jago apply khainang ke to o jago no application form manai bini form ungkha omhai o jago norok post ni bumung sidi photo ready ar pore nini oro block letter by mung sidi father ba husband name ar for nationality Indian postal address nini full address sidi pin code soh mobile number email ID date of birth ar for male female sidi ar for caste certificate nini certificate ready o jago nini puila madhyamik 12 ar for graduation ni oro box awi ready ar for technical supporting document norong computer ni document nangnai experience if attach any jodi tonghangke attach khlai ready ni sawo ar for other number te other copy other xerox rong marnai friends ong norong ni madhyamik ni admit mark sheet 12 ni mark sheet graduation ni mark sheet jodi post graduation tongke post graduation ni mark sheet di computer ni certificate ready ar for other ready photo rok tai norong ni asok rekhang STPRTC ready obno roi nai joto document jerosono nijini soi roi nai norok oboni logi sobi redi gai oro soi jang date place ga agurtola redi omteki fill up khlainai norok kaisa khamo thaching ang address hamoni a address sinai norok send khlai rohmano speed post bai hai ke norok direct thangai bo reiman nai friend song gai omongka kaisa sikon sa information asungno friend song teisa jotono no hai hambai